Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest iPhone tips and tricks for 2025. Today's video is all about something that's puzzled many users: how to see blocked messages on your iPhone. Whether you're curious about a message from an ex or just want to double-check what you've blocked, we've got you covered. This is especially relevant with the new iOS updates in 2025, which have made privacy features even more robust. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. It's crucial for these features to work smoothly. Start by opening the Messages app, that iconic green icon on your home screen. Once you're in, look for the Filters option. It's usually in the top left corner. Tap on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In the Filters menu, you'll see options like All Messages, Unknown Senders, and Recently Blocked. Select Recently Blocked or Blocked Contacts. This is where iPhone stashes messages from numbers you've blocked. You'll now see a list of those messages. But wait, Apple has added some extra security in 2025, so you might need to verify your identity. If prompted, use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to proceed. Once inside, you can read the messages, but remember, this doesn't unblock the sender. It just lets you view what was sent. If you decide to unblock someone, tap on their contact, go to the Info button, and select Unblock this caller. It's that simple. Be cautious though. Viewing blocked messages could lead to unwanted interactions, so use this feature wisely. There you have it. A quick and easy way to access blocked messages on your iPhone in 2025. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and hit that notification bell. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.